to introduce a bill further to amend the State Bank of Pakistan Act 1956, State Bank of Pakistan Act Bill 2021.
A bill further to amend.
सप्लीमेंट्री फाइनेंस बिल पहले
ये सप्लीमेंट्री फाइनेंस बिल पहले करें, सप्लीमेंट्री फाइनेंस बिल जी, सप्लीमेंट्री फाइनेंस बिल।
Mr. Speaker, I'd like to introduce a bill to amend certain laws relating to taxes and duties, the Finance Supplementary Bill 2021.
A bill further to amend certain laws relating to tax and duties, the Finance Supplementary Bill 2020 introduced. The said bill shall not be referred to the Standing Committee as provided in Rule 122 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly. Supplementary order of the day. Item number 4A, Mr. Shaukat Tareen Sahab, please. 4A. 4A.
Sir, Mr. Speaker, I'd like to introduce a bill to amend the State Bank of Pakistan Act 1956, the State Bank of Pakistan Amendment Bill 2021.
G. A bill further to amend the State Bank of Pakistan Act 1956, the State Bank of Pakistan Amendment Bill 2020 introduced. The said bill has been referred to the Standing Committee concerned, i.e. the Standing Committee on the Finance and Revenue. Item number 5, Mr. Shaukat Tareen Sahab. Item number 5.
Mr. Speaker, I'd like to move the following resolution, that the National Assembly resolves to extend the Federal Government Properties Management Authority Ordinance 2021, Ordinance number 15 of 2021 for a further period of 120 days with effect from 15/12/2021 under proviso to subpara 2 of paragraph A of clause 2 of Article 89 of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
Now I put the resolution to the House. It has been moved that the National Assembly resolved to extend the Federal Government Properties Management Authority Ordinance 2015 of 2021 for the further period of 120 days with effect from 15 December 2021 under proviso to subparagraph 2 of paragraph A of clause 2 of Article 89 of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. All those in favor of the resolution say aye. All those say no. I think I have it considered the resolution adopted. Item number 6. Mr. Zawrjeel Babar. Item number 6.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I move the item number 6 that the National Assembly resolves to extend the Election Amendment Ordinance 2021, Ordinance number Roman 20 of 2021 for a further period of 120 days with effect from 29th December 2021 under proviso to subparagraph 2 or paragraph A of Article 2 of Article 89 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
आप अपनी सीट पे चले, मैं आपको मौका देता हूँ, आप जाए उससे बात करें, उधर से आप उधर से जाए बात करें, आप बात करें, बात करें जी, बात करें जी नवीद कंवर साहब।
Mr. Speaker, I wish to move that under Rule 288 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly 2007, that requirements of Rule 69 and 88 of the said rules be suspended for today on 30th December 2021 in respect of question hour and calling attention notices in order to take up other agenda items.
Now I put the motion to the House. The question date, the motion as would be adopted. All those in favor of the motion may say aye. All those that say no. I think ayes have it and considering the motion is adopted. Item number Item number 4. Shaukat Tareen Saab, please. Item number 4.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I, Shaukat Fayaz Ahmed